Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's TechBits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dwelling IT guy. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I want to talk to you about your Android phone. If you can't get this sucker turned on, these are the steps that you need to follow. It's freaking terrifying when you can't get your phone back on. I mean, like, what if your mom or your girlfriend was calling? Now, if this is an old school tube TV, I just give it a little bit of percussive maintenance. You know what I'm talking about, the percussive maintenance? However, I do not recommend that you do that these days. First off, get a toothpick. And if you're super desperate, I guess you could use a pin, but your own discretion. You need to fish up around here. Oh, this pin doesn't look like it's going to be enough. So we get lots of frickin' pocket lint in here, which makes it not able to charge. I'm going to need to get something thinner than this. So you don't want to be too rough in there. That's why you want to use a wood or plastic toothpick. And you just want to see if you got any pocket lint in there. It happens all the time. Next, you want to make sure that you use the same charge brick that came with your unit. And if not, if you can't, you want to make sure that you get something that has the same output, because not all charge units are the same. And just plugging something into USB drive of a computer only offers very minimum power output. So I wouldn't recommend you to use that. So yeah, I'm talking about these boys. These chargers don't output as much as the power brick that came with your phone generally. If you have blue in your ports, it's USB 3.0, that can output 4.5 volts and almost 1 amp. If you only got USB 2.0, it's even less than that, and your phone probably needs at least 1.5 amp and 5 volts. So once again, you want to avoid these things. So the original cube, a known good cable, plug it in and see if it takes a charge. Now you may be in the situation where you know your phone is charged and it just won't turn on. There's nothing you can do. It was half charged last time you looked at it and it just won't turn on at all. Here's what you do. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. It might automatically turn off or give you some options depending on your type of Android. All Androids are a little bit different and all operatings are a little bit different. The next step that I want you to take is press and hold the power and the down button at the same time, and do this for about 5 seconds, and it will do a hard reboot just like you see here. I've had this work with most types of Androids. And when I say Android, I mean Samsung, LG, all these other names that some people give them. If that doesn't work and you have the availability, you're going to want to take the case off and take the battery out. I'm not going to lie though, it's been a while since I had an Android that had a battery pack. The LG G3 was the last unit that I actually owned to have a battery pack. If you can remove it, but odds are you can't. One of the last things you can do is pop the SD card out, just in case, the SD card and the SIM card. Get a pin, pop that out, take it out, leave it out, and then try everything I just said all over again. So just get the pin that your unit came with, or you can get a pin from Mom's Sewing Kit and press down, pops out, and there you have your memory card and SIM card. Now just keep it out of there. Try it one more time. If that won't work, you definitely got to take it into a repair shop. But remember to use the brick that came with your unit as much as possible. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's TechBits. Hit a like and subscribe if I've helped you. I really hope I have. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Have a good one and take care of each other.